Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad K Sangma ulaong ba kalong kabadon kam ki Khynnah Skul Jylla ki badang Hapoh Klas 5 bakin nanglang ya Ktien Khasi bat Garo. Haba kren ya kane jingialang rakhe ya Teachers Day kabalong Soso Tham Auditorium. Myntri Rangbah uong ba kane kalong kum ka sienjam baki Khynnah Skul kin nanglang katto katne baroh arteri ki jait Ktien Jylla kata Ktien Khasi bat Ktien Garo. Myntri Rangbah ulai khublei ru ya jingnoh synniang jong nonghikai na bynta ban pybwandur ya lawai jong Khynnah Skul. Uai jingaro ru ya kitu nonghikai ki balayo pediang ya khusna paper ha kade kasi. Shwa kane layo ru ya kren na Myntri ketenat puli puthi Rakkam A Sangma na lor kiwei.
With our education minister, we are working on the logistical challenges in this. But I would like to see that up to class 5, like mentioned in our National Education Policy, NEP, we must promote local language. Why can't every student in Garo Hills also learn Khasi up to class 5? Why can't every student in Khasi Hills and Jylla Hills learn Garo up to class 5? I think we need to start somewhere. Cannot go on like this. And basic language and basic understanding, because that's the age where we can learn the language faster. I know it's logistically quite challenging. Where will we have the teachers? How will we send the teachers? Can technology be used? Please think about it, figure it out. But I think in the interest of our state, in the interest of making the NEP a real success, it's important to focus on our local language. And I would like to see that at the earliest, we should start a mechanism where, to whatever level we can go, but at least to class 5, that every student in the state should know few words, lines, and some parts of language from Khasi as well as Garo, so that we're able to promote the state integration and we're able to understand and respect each other's languages and culture. This is something that I would want the education department to truly focus on and try to roll this out at the earliest. And I can assure you that we will give our full support. It may not happen in one go, but start the process somewhere so that we're able to move forward. Last